to discuss about second part of the on the face of it. Derry notices that there are no curtains on windows of Mr. Lamb's house. Mr. Lamb replies that he is not fond of curtains because they shut things out and he likes to see the light and the darkness and to hear the wind. Derry also says that he likes to hear the rain falling on the roof. Mr. Lamb says that Derry is not lost. It means that there is still a sensitive part in his heart, but it is hidden because of the bitterness. Derry tells Mr. Lamb that even his family has pity on him. They think about his future and what will he do with that face. They feel that it would be difficult for him to get on in this world with a face like that. Mr. Lamb shows him that he is better than all the rest. He can live his life easily like others to do. Derry asks Mr. Lamb if he has any friend. Mr. Lamb tells him that everyone is his friend. Even Derry is confused and asks him how they are friends when Mr. Lamb does not even know his name. Mr. Lamb explains that names don't signify anything to him. Being friends doesn't mean that you should know all the details about a person. At this point, Derry chooses to tell him his name. He says it's Derek, but hates being called that. He wants to be called Derry only. Derry tells Mr. Lamb that he hates some people. Mr. Lamb says that hatred is more dangerous than the acid that burned his face. Derry narrates another incident about the time when he returned home after the accident. He heard someone say that he had been better in the hospital with others like him. Mr. Lamb contradicts it by asking what kind of a word would that be. Derry is amazed and asks how he makes out all these things. Mr. Lamb replies, watching, listening, thinking. Mr. Lamb tells Derry that he can come and go in his house as he wishes. Whatever belongs to him belongs to everybody. Derry tells Mr. Lamb that his friends would run away at seeing Derry's face. Mr. Lamb tells him that it is a risk he has to take. He wants Derry to understand that he has to come out of his cell and to shed his bitterness if he wants to live life to the fullest. Derry asks Mr. Lamb how he is going to get the apples down since his leg is blown off and he wears a tin leg. Mr. Lamb assures him that over the years he has learned to deal with his handicap. Derry says that he could help him, but his mother would not allow him to come out once he gets home. Mr. Lamb tells Derry that it is not Derry's mother, but Derry's bitterness and hesitation that wouldn't let him go out. Derry tries to give him a reason by saying that people worry too much and his house is 3 miles away. Mr. Lamb excites Derry by saying that he is a young boy and he could do anything if he chooses to. The power of choosing what one wants lies in one's own hands. A small altercation takes place between them. Mr. Lamb says that Derry doesn't have the guts to fight the odds. His burnt face is just an excuse. Derry becomes infuriated and mocks the tin leg of Mr. Lamb. He promises to return to the garden. The second scene begins in Dairy's house. He is fighting with his mother because he wants to return to Mr. Lamb, and his mother is not allowing him to go back. She says that she has been warned by many people that Mr. Lamb appears to be an eccentric, but Dairy insists that he wants to go. For the first time in his life, someone has shown him the right way. He wants to talk to Mr. Lamb about things which matter to him. He wants to sit there and listen to things. His mother tells him to say, but Dairy tells her that he hates it. His mother doesn't react. She simply tells him that he is bound to say such awful things because of his face. Dairy strongly replies that he doesn't care about his face anymore. The transformation has begun. The final scene shifts to the garden again. Dairy reaches there out of breath. He finds Mr. Lamb lying on the garden. He has been trying to pick the apples off the tree when the ladder has slipped and he, along with it, has fallen on the ground. Dairy tries to awaken him, but Mr. Lamb is unmoving. He is probably dead. Dairy has lost his only friend and he begins to cry. Mr. Lamb was able to do what he has been trying. He has caught Dairy how to live. Students are advised to do NCERT questions and one long question including with 2 extra based questions on the topic. Thank you.